Drew Mann, 09CRA00527, charged with the State of Ohio aggravated arson.
Okay, Mr. Mann, this case has been filed under Ohio Revised Code 2909.02. Currently stands as felony of the second degree with a maximum penalty of 8 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. Do you understand the nature of the charge?
Yeah.
Do you understand the maximum penalty?
Yes.
You have the right to be represented by a lawyer throughout the proceedings on this case. If you are indigent, that means without funds. I will appoint a lawyer to represent you at no cost to you. Do you understand this right to counsel?
Yes.
All right. No plea will be taken on this case because it is a felony. Instead, I'm going to set the case for a preliminary hearing. At a preliminary hearing, the State of Ohio will have the opportunity to present evidence. They're going to try and prove that there's probable cause to believe that you committed this offense. If the state does prove probable cause, this case will be transferred to the Lorain County Court of Common Pleas for presentation to a grand jury there. Do you understand the proceedings so far this morning?
Yes.
All right. Are you going to hire a lawyer to represent you?
I need a lawyer.
All right. Are you currently employed, sir?
No.
Okay. I understand that Mr. Merrill represents you on cases that are currently pending in Judge Moraldi's court, in the Court of Common Pleas, so I will appoint Mr. Merrill to represent you in this matter. Now I need to address the issue of bond. You're not employed. Are you attending school? I believe the last time I spoke with you in January, you indicated you were going to be going to school. Did you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Is that school LCCC?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Grunda, what is the City of Elyria, State of Ohio's recommendation on bond for Mr. Manns?
Your Honor, I know he was held on strength without bond. The defendant has an extensive juvenile history, as well as a warrant block active from Oregon Municipal Court. He's awaiting sentence on 3 felonies in Judge Moraldi's court, one of which is escape. The last time he escaped, he held the law enforcement at bay, and I think at this time, Judge, a higher than normal bond would be more than appropriate based on his criminal record and history. I further would ask the court that should the defendant post bond, I'd ask that the defendant be immediately placed on house arrest with a GPS monitoring device, that he have no contact with Lorain County Community College, and that a psychological evaluation also be ordered in this matter.
All right. Mr. Manns, I'm going to follow the recommendations that Prosecutor Jay Grundon has set forth this morning. That's going to be, as a condition of bond, we're going to have a psychological evaluation. As a condition of bond, no contact with Lorain County Community College. I'm going to order that you stay 1,500 feet away from that location. In addition, should you be released and post bond, you will be subject to a GPS monitoring device at your own cost. If that happens, you'll be able to contact my probation officer here, since this case has been assigned to my court by a computer-generated lottery this morning for terms of that. Now, on the issue of bond, I am familiar with your juvenile adjudication for arson in Grafton. I am familiar with the incident that Mr. Grundon has noted of escape where you held police at bay, where you possessed a firearm. I am also familiar with your extensive criminal record. Therefore, I'm going to set the bond at $2 million cash for surety. Your preliminary hearing is going to be set for this coming Monday. That will be February 23rd at 1:30 p.m. And as I stated, assigned to my court by computer-generated lottery. Mr. Grundon, is there anything further from the City of Elyria, State of Ohio?
Thank you, Your Honor. We're pleased with that at this time.
All right. Mr. Manns, do you have any questions about the court proceedings this morning?
No.
All right. Thank you very much. We're going to process your entry. We will fax over your paperwork. It will indicate exactly what we discussed here today, and we're going to fax a copy to Mr. Merrill so that he will be here to represent you at 1:30 on Monday afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Elyria.